Welcome back to Home Sweet Home Cooking. I am your host Rocky in my mother's kitchen as always. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
There she is. She's in the back there. We're both kind of hurt today. She's got to make a phone call, so she's not going to be in the beginning part. She'll show up later. What part are you going to show up for, Mom?
Taste test.
Taste test, of course. So today we're going to do a kind of another continuation of what we did last time. Recently was the Mongolian noodles. This is a beef ramen noodle stir fry. Again, I'm on this kind of Chinese kick. I love the noodle dishes, as you can tell. Goes right to the waist. So this one is really easy because it's beef. So you need a pound of beef, and you're gonna need 2 packs of these ramen noodles. The flavor pack, you can get rid of that. You don't need that. What else are you gonna need for this? You're gonna need some vegetable oil. I've got a whole onion, this is frozen, diced up, and a large red bell pepper diced up. I've got half a head of broccoli cut into florets, and that's going to be the base. Salt and pepper is going to season that. We've got salt and pepper up there. The sauce is going to consist of soy sauce, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, which I think is here, sriracha, and some garlic. So that'll be the sauce. And now it's time to get it together. First, I got the pan heated up. Got to put in a little bit of that. It says 1 tablespoon of veg oil.
Okay, I'm here now and I'm ready for the taste test.
Go away, kid. You bother me.
That's what I used to say to you.
Yeah. Alright, so the first you want to saute the vegetables. Seeing that my onions and red peppers are frozen, I'm going to throw them in first to get them to thaw before we get them to saute. And a lot of liquid's going to come out being frozen, so I wanted that to evaporate. I'm going to give those, if you're doing fresh peppers and fresh onions, you go ahead and put your broccoli in at the same time. But I'm just going to give this a head start to it's frozen. It doesn't take long, it says. Matter of fact, their time on here actually says it's only supposed to be about 5 minutes. You just want to get that broccoli tender. So once I get these thawed up a little bit, through and soft. Now it's going to be time for the broccoli. I left the scallions there. I'm not going to put those in yet, the tops of the green onions. I'm just going to fry this for 5 minutes until these are soft. And when they're soft, I'll transfer them to the bowl and we'll get back and we'll start on the meat. Veggies have sauteed down nicely. They're just starting to get soft on the broccoli. I want them a little crunchy, that's why I like them. Now it's time so I got those off to the side, pulled them out, and it's time to get the beef in there. Salt and pepper to taste. There's more salt coming in higher than you think, so it's very fast on that. And now I'm just going to get this cooked through so there's no pink left. And when this is cooked through, it's time to start assembling. So we'll be back when the noodles we got the hot water going for the noodles, get them boiled. And hopefully by the time this meat is done, the noodles will be in and ready to go. And then go ahead and mix the sauce and get to the full assembly. Noodles are cooked. The hamburger is cooked through. So now we're going to add the veg back to the meat. Give that a quick stir. And I'm going to add the noodles on top of that. Now remember, this is just the noodles. This is not boiled in the flavor packets. Now I need to mix together the sauce, which is 1/4 cup soy. Put this in the same bowl that I had the veggies in. One tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm guessing at these, not exact. Found that there's a lot of brown sugar in these Asian sauces. I didn't know everything was that sweet. 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. 2 teaspoons of sriracha. I don't think this is open yet. Oh. Sorry, 2 tablespoons did I say? It's 2 teaspoons of sriracha. Although I could probably do 2 tablespoons. 1 clove of garlic. Use minced, pre-made garlic, pre-minced garlic. And then just going to whisk it together. And that's the sauce that's going to go on everything here in the pan. Let's get my spatula out of the way. And then toss. Don't know if it's going to be easier to toss with tongs or I'm going to have to grab the 2-fork method. I don't know yet. Let's find out. Crispy bits on the bottom, got a little bit away from me, but that's fine. I think that's good flavor. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in there. What do you think, Ma?
Yeah.
When meat gets that brown, it's called my artifact, so it has just a little bit different flavor profile to it, so there's nothing wrong with that.
That's the best part.
Yeah, sometimes it is. Alright, get that out of the way. And to dress it up, to zhuzh it up, as my girlfriend would say, just pushed off to the side. And now to make it look all fancy, I'm going to top it off with the scallion. And some sesame seeds, just for a little more contrast. What do you think, Ma? Does that look good enough to eat?
Let's eat it.
Alright. Alright.
I'm ready.
Yeah, as she said, let's eat. So, do a little bit of noodle, a little bit of beef, a little bit of noodle, come on, a little bit of noodle. It needs more sauce.
It could have more sauce.
It's kind of dry.
It's got a decent flavor.
Mm-hmm. But I would say double the sauce that you put on there. Maybe if I dig towards the bottom, I'll get a little bit on that. Maybe it can get all down there. A little more flavor at the bottom. So it already settled down to the bottom. I guess when you serve it, just make sure you give a good turn to it before you put it on somebody's plate. But it's good. It's got I would still gone with a little more sauce for a little more flavor. I think ginger might have been good in here.
Sure.
Now she's never had ramen noodles before, ever. So
Never.
she can't compare this to just a bowl of ramen noodles, you know, college kid food or what do they call that, prepper food. I like ramens. I like ramen noodles boiled with the flavor packet is fine. I'll even eat ramen. I'll just take a package out, throw the seasoning away, and just eat them like snack food in front of the TV. I do like ramen. This here takes it and really elevates it to another level. It's not just ramen. It's a whole meal.
I bought ramen noodles once, but I needed the flavor pack, and I threw out the noodles.
She's crazy. Most people do it the opposite way. And the broccoli. Okay, folks, ramen noodles, if you don't know this, aren't healthy. Not at all. But you're getting some veg, you're getting some red pepper and some broccoli in here, so it adds a little bit of vegetable to it, so it makes it a little bit more healthier. Right, nothing wrong with that. I'll make that again. I'll play around with the recipe. A little more sauce, a little more red pepper flake maybe, or just more of the, what's that call it? Ketchup. Here, have some ketchup on there, man. because I think sriracha is mild enough. I could use it as ketchup. I do actually. I put the Tabasco brand sriracha on my hamburgers and fries like it's ketchup.
Oh, that helped.
I give it a thumbs up. I'll do this again. It's simple. It's easy. Ramen noodles are cheap. You can sub out if you don't like broccoli. Don't put it in. Just you can use some shredded carrots if you don't like the bell peppers. You know, whatever you want to put in there. That's the beauty about a stir fry, is it's whatever you want. So try this, make it your own, but do make a little more sauce for it. Like I say, it does dry up just a little bit. We have one more Chinese recipe to do with General Tso's.
Yes, and tell me you want it now. Because I want it now.
She doesn't like chicken, but she's going to have General Tso's chicken. Figure that one. Yeah, but that'll be probably coming up in one of our next videos, if not the next video, because I am looking forward to that too. And maybe a classic lo mein dish, probably a shrimp lo mein maybe, but the classic way that's made, that you'll find it in the Chinese restaurants. And then we'll get off the Chinese kick for a while and go back to other things. I know we want to start doing some air fryer stuff, so we'll be looking forward to that hopefully. But for now, make sure you check out other videos, try some of the stuff we've made. Give this video if you liked it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We're trying to get up to 1,000 subscribers. Once we get there, I'll do some sort of giveaway.
Yeah, you'll probably give me away.
I don't know. She's pretty good at cleaning up after me while I cook. All right, folks. Thanks for watching. Have yourselves a great day.